Hello everyone, I hope you are having an amazing day today. My name is Alisa Bloko and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. And now if you're wondering why should you have a playlist on your YouTube channel at all, it is basically just to categorize your videos that are specifically related to a certain topic. So for example, one of your playlists could be, let's just say, for example, a playlist called Social Media Tips, where you are posting videos on and tips related to the social media in general. And the other playlist could be called LinkedIn, where you would be posting only videos related to the topic of LinkedIn. So let's just jump into it. Once you are on your YouTube channel, the fastest way to create a playlist is to click on Manage Videos. Then this screen will open, and on the left hand side in the menu below you will choose Playlist. Click on it and you'll be able to see on the right hand side New Playlist as an option. If you click on it, you'll have an opportunity to create a playlist by adding a title to that playlist, and you'll have 150 characters available for this title. Also, you will choose the visibility of this playlist. You will choose whether this playlist is going to be public or it's going to be private or unlisted, and then simply click on Create and your playlist will be created. So if I click on my playlist on my YouTube channel, you'll see that one of my playlists here is called Inspiring Business Stories, and it's basically because it consists of videos that are a series of my interviews that I've conducted with entrepreneurs and small business owners, in which they are sharing their brand story and tips on how to succeed. I hope you find this video useful. Please consider liking this video and sharing it so that other people like you could benefit from it. And please consider subscribing in order to keep up with my new videos that I'm going to post on a weekly basis. Thank you and have an amazing day.